warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Model Exclusive, where we teach ourselves all kinds of models way. You are welcome back to my channel. Today, what the tutorial we are going to be sharing together is how to cut 6 pieces hijab. Yes, of course, you heard me right. 6 pieces hijab. You may be wondering how come, but yes, there's 6 pieces hijab. So how we are going to do the cutting is that we are going to, first of all, we are going to cut our normal hijab. As if we are cutting normal hijab. After cutting normal hijab, if you don't know how to cut instant hijab, check it on my video. You're going to download it and watch it. It's very, very easy and simple. Now, that is what I'm going to do now. Cut the normal hijab, after which we are going to convert it into 6 pieces. Now, let's assume this is our fabric. I'm using paper as an illustration. Let's assume this is fabric, okay? What you are going to do is that you are going to fold it into 2 equal parts. You fold it into 2 equal parts. After folding it into 2 equal parts, the next thing is to measure the length of the hijab. You measure the length of the hijab. After measuring the length of the hijab, you insert it on your materials, okay? Now, let's assume this is the back of the hijab. This is the back of the hijab, okay? And this is the front of the hijab. So what you do, you are going to connect from the back to the front. But when you are connecting it, make sure that the back is longer than the front, okay? If the back is 20, the front may be 18, 17, 15. Are you with me? So by the time you now add cape on it, the back will go down again. Now let me do it. I want to cut hijab now. Let's assume I've cut our hijab. Let's assume this is our hijab. This is the front, while this is the back. So what I'm going to do is to place it on the table. I'm going to place it on the table, okay? Let's assume I place it on the table so that you can see what we are doing very well. Now, this is the table, okay? This is our hijab. Now, I've placed it here. So the next thing to do is that you are going to take measurement of this material from this edge to this edge, okay? Let's assume from one edge to the other edge, let's assume is 40, okay? So you are going to now divide 40 into 7. You are not going to divide it into 6, so you are going to divide it into 7 so that you can have seam allowance. Now, let's assume it's 40 from this edge, like this, to this edge. Let's assume it's 40. You now say 40 divided by 7. 40 divided by 7 is going to give us 5.7. 5.7. You are not going to approximate it. You now say 6, okay? You are going to measure 6, okay? Measure 6 inches from this place like this. You measure 6 inches. Let's assume from here now to here. From here to here is our 6 inches. You are going to draw a line on it, or you launch it with your scissors. You can launch it from here, from this side to this side. Let's assume it's your 6 inches. You launch it, okay? You now start again from this place that you launch to this place. You measure another 6 inches. Let's assume this is another 6 inches. You do it, you launch, okay? You now do again from here to here. Let's assume this is our 6 inches, okay? You launch again, okay? So from here to here, let's assume it's another 6 inches. You launch, okay? So from here to here, let's assume there are 6 inches. You do what? You launch. So if you want it to be 10 inches and 10 pieces hijab, you are going to divide it into 10, like 40 divided by 10. If you want it to be 7 pieces, 7 pieces hijab, you are going to mention 40 divided by 7. That is how you are going to do it. After you have done that, okay, it will be wider at the bottom. You see that the bottom is wide. Then it will be tiny at the top, like this. Do it like this. See, you now fold it into 2 back. Now look at it. Look can decide to do it like this too. This that is tiny up, while the bottom is bigger. This see. Then you cut the other one. You see it? You now do it like this. Make sure you mark everything, and each one that you actually cutting are the same. Okay, so that is how you are going to do it. You see it? You see we have done with the cutting. So you make sure you cut everything out. Mm? You cut everything out. Cut everything out. So the next thing now is to take it to the machine, and you are going to stitch it. So you now do like this. You see, this is the two. You now do it like that. As if you want to sew 6 pieces cloth or 6 pieces skirt, you now join it. You put it on the machine. You now join it from here to here. Okay? You put it down. You now carry another two. You join it together from here to here. You stitch it inside. Why some people also used to stitch it outside. Let's assume this is outside, but when they are doing it outside, they will go and serge this place. They will interlock this place. Okay, it will not be outside. But if you don't want to put it outside, you can sew it inside. Okay, you sew it inside too. After you sew it, you keep it. You now take the remaining two, you sew it together. Okay, you sew it together from here to here. You now join them together. This one, you join this one together with this one. See, we are cutting, you are sewing your 6 pieces clothes. After you have done that, you now fold it into two back. After folding into two, you now take it to the machine. You now sew this place. If you want to interlock the bottom, it's good to go. You can interlock it. If you decide to um fold it into two and sew, no problem, you can decide to do that. So that is how to sew our 6 pieces. And if you want to put cape on it, it's even good. It's to make it beautiful. So at the places that you sew, let's assume this is where we sew. Let's assume we sew this place like this. You can now decide to put stone like this, to make it more beautiful. You just place stone on it. You place stone, put it on your stone machine. See, you can decide to put stone on the line. It will come out very beautiful. At the edges that you sew the line, you put stone, arrange stone on it. You put it in your pressing machine and stone machine. You stone it. It will bring out. It will be very, very beautiful. So you can try it on yourself. Do it with a rough fabric before you now transfer it on a beautiful new fabric, so that you can see how it come out before you can decide to do. So this is actually DIY. Do it yourself. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. See you in our next video. Assalamu alaikum. Love you so much.